Hello and welcome back to my channel. God bless you in the name of Jesus. I made myself the great Johnsonkeyz. Alright, so today I want to show you some very nice 251 jazz lick. Simple ones. I use in the key of on the piano. So we're gonna be in the key of C today. So we have the middle screen. So we have a C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Yeah, if you can't play this, then you should comment so that I can send you the beginner tutorial. We have a beginner tutorial where I actually introduce the keyboard on this channel, right? Okay, so all right, so let's look into this. So the first one, which one should go first? Okay, so the first one go like this. I learned this from some of Charlie Parker's lick. So listen to this. One more time. Okay, so we are our licks. The licks we are learning today are mostly on 2, 5, 1. So that's 2 D minor 7. Sorry, let me not change that. 5. That's G7, right? 1, 3 in G, flat in 7th, then the 5, then your C major 7. So on 2 we have a so we have a pa 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 pa. So we have 2 6 2 6 1 6. Then on while going to 7 we change our chord to 5. So on 2 we have, then we change to while going 8 in the 7. So pa, 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 pa. Then the last part pa, 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 pa. Yeah, so something like that. So then, so check that out. Sharp 5, then 4, all the way chromatically to 5, then 3, then 7, then 2. So it goes like this, slowly. So that's it. Okay, so the second one goes like this. So that one. So on 2, we do pa 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 pa. We do 3, 1, 6, and then 4. Yeah. Then we do pa 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 pa. So then we do minor third to 7 to 9 to 7 to 5. So by the grace of God, our website is coming very soon by the grace of God. So we'll have a lot of all these courses right clearly taught on the website. Yeah, so but keep following the channel, subscribe, invite your friends. Yeah, so we can get that sorted out right by the grace of God. So you follow us, you keep following us by the grace of God, and you keep getting better. And even people that are coming also will keep getting better by the grace of God. All right, so one more time. So this one, so it goes pa 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 pa. So look at how it goes. So this, because you have to know the starting points, else it might be hard to play this pa 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 pa. Then pa 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 pa. So let's see how it falls on the left hand chord. I already taught that before. You can listen again. So that's it. 2 pa 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 pa. All right. So the last one. Okay. So the last one goes like this. Pa 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 so right, so that's that. So it goes 1 to minor 1, flat 2, then 3 to minor third, then back to this guy, that's the 9, then flat in 7 to 6, sharp 4 to 5. So right. Right, so if you learned something, let me know. Right, God bless you. Click the subscribe button. Don't forget to join the channel membership also to for special perks, and to also what's it called, support this channel. God bless you. Bye.